Ma'am Roseanne. I'm Mira Enverdejo, 22 years old. I live in Zone 5, Linyon, Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon.
I'm third year BSBA, major in marketing at NBSC.
I'm a slow learner and a night owl. I'm also a loner type of person. My hobbies are watching Korean dramas and playing chess. My expectation for this subject, living in the IT era, is that I will know more about how the influence of information technology defines the way we live today and identify the different discoveries and inventions on computers that help mold information technology today, and also have fun learning. My expectation on our beautiful instructor, Ma'am Roseanne Pizon, is that I hope she's kind and patient. That's all. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.